Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I will discuss a very important structure. This is the most important structure to make any type of sentence. How and what is the structure? We know assertive sentence. We know the assertive sentence structure. The assertive sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object. This is a small structure, and almost we use this structure to make sentences. How? Let's go take some examples. So guys, I read, we read books, he goes to school, they play football. These are assertive sentences, and in these sentences we have used this structure: subject plus verb plus object. After object, if we need to add other words, so we have to use these words: how, where, when, why. So let's go take a big sentence. So the sentence is, I ate rice quickly at home yesterday because I was hungry. This is a big sentence. So how can we analyze this sentence, and let's see and what is the structure for this sentence. So guys, the first part we have to understand: subject verb object. I ate rice. I subject, ate, this is the verb, and rice, this is the object. Quickly, how? Quickly. Where? At home. When? Yesterday. Why? Because I was hungry. So the structure is subject verb object, how, where, when, why. Okay guys, by adding the words we can make the sentence like this: I ate rice quickly at home yesterday because I was hungry. Let's go take another sentence. So guys, she is reading a book silently in the library right now to prepare for the exam. This is a big sentence, and we have used this structure: subject verb object, how, where, when, why. So let's go to analyze. See, this is the subject, is reading, this is the verb, a book, this is the object. Silently, how? Silently. Where? In the library. When? Right now. Why? To prepare for the exam. So guys, almost to make any types of sentences we use this structure. If we keep this structure in our mind, so we can make any types of sentences. Like, they should do the work. We should practice our English speaking regularly. If we face problems to speak English fluently, so then we need to think deeply, and we need to try to use this structure to make the sentence. After making the sentence, we can start our speaking again, and like this we can develop our speaking skill. So guys, we have to think this is a language. Like we speak our mother tongue, we don't think the structure and words. So similar way we have to speak English speaking, because this is a language. We don't need to think deeply, just we should start whatever we know, and we use this structure to make any types of sentences. We use why to make close sentences. I ate rice quickly at home yesterday. Why? Because I was hungry. So because I was hungry, this is the clause. Because Here we have used was. This is the finite verb. There are two types of verbs, finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Finite verb is necessary to make any types of sentences. Without finite verb we cannot make any sentences. Finite verb is necessary, and we cannot use multiple finite verb in a sentence. We only can use one finite verb in a sentence, and multiple non-finite verb we can use, because non-finite verbs are infinitive, participle and gerund. So to make phrases we use non-finite verb. Being skillful, we can speak English fluently. Being skillful, this is a phrase, and this is a sentence we can speak English. So by adding we can make a simple sentence. Being skillful, we can speak English fluently. Okay guys, if we need to use more verbs, so then we have to use the verbs non-finite verb. Okay, and almost we use this structure to make any types of sentences. So guys, keep in mind this structure and speak fluently. There is no need to worry. Okay, if you face problems, so think deeply and try to make the sentence with this structure. So guys, thanks for watching. See you again in the next videos.